It's still a freaking decimal.
Okay, so 6 times 11 is 66. 66 minus 1 is 65. So both of these are 65. Then 180 minus 65 gives you 115. And then to get MN, that's 65. NP is 115. And then NQP, so NQP 360 minus 115. And that is 245.
The what? I heard that. Miss Lily, I still got a decimal. 14x minus 29, right?
Okay. So, I don't know what you're talking about. What about the Okay. So now, number 9 on page 8. So looking at that, there's no diameters in there, so you can't do the 180 thing. There's only 4 radii in there, so there's no diameter. So what do I know that all of the arcs have to add to equal? 360. So I'm going to add up everything, set it equal to 360. So 9x minus 22 plus 5x minus 7 plus 61 plus 34. All of those equal 360. Okay, so you'll have 14x. Add all those in that column up, you should get 66. Subtract 66 from both sides. You get 14x equals 294. Divide by 14. And x does equal 21. Okay. So x is 21. Need to plug 21 back in to both of those. So I'm going to do 9 times 21 minus 22. That gives me 167. Then 5 times 21 minus 7 gives you 98. So now I know all 4 of my arcs. So what is G to K? 167. H to J? 98. H, G, J.
I think I know.
You can do 360 minus 98. You get 262.
Yeah.
And then G to K to J. 167 plus 34. That's the one we're looking at right here.
So,
201. Okay. So on the next one, again, there's not a diameter, so you have to add all of them up and set them equal to 360. So set that up, we have 2x plus 5 plus 17x minus 14 plus 12x plus 90. And those all add to equal 360.
No, it's like 12.
Okay, so subtract 81. 31x equals 279. Divide both sides by 31. X does equal 9. Then I'm going to plug 9 back into all those. 12 times 9 is 108. 2 times 9 plus 5 is 23. 17 times 9 minus 14 is 139.
yeah. I can say, you're my business. Don't do that.
Okay, so AD is 108. BC, 23. DC, 139. And then DBC. So 360 minus 139. 221.
What if we all go online? Like, that's gonna be bad.
What?
What if we all have to go online?
We can't do that.
Why?
We're not one-to-one. Not everybody has access to a Chromebook.
So what was going on?
I don't know, but I don't even think my computer works, honestly. My mom got all her freaking college stuff on there. I can like, if I try to get on Safari, it takes like 17 minutes. Just to work. Dead serious.
Wait, so what are we gonna do if the school shuts down again?
Hey, I'm just gonna be chilling at the crib.
I ain't the boss, I'm just here.
Hey, I'm gonna get me a job.
I
I'm
do
gonna
work.
get back in my bag.
Okay, so those problems that are marked out are stuff we're looking at later, the arc length and the sector area and stuff, or that's just arc length. But we have not done that yet. So we're going to keep it. Okay, so now on page 9, all of those we just looked at were central angles. Now this one's going to be inscribed angles, which means that the vertex is on the side of the circle. And then the two formulas we have for that is angle equals arc divided by 2. Or if we're looking for an arc, 2 times angle equals arc. So if we're looking for angle, that's what we use. If we're looking for arc, that's what we use. Okay. So on number 1, we are looking for arc JML. So if we're looking for an arc, we're using 2 times angle equals arc. So 2 times 88 will give us our arc. What's 2 times 88?
176.
176.
I have a question.
Yep.
How do you know if it's like arc?
Arc has a little arc over it. So here you're looking for an arc because that's what it is. Angle is always inside on an angle like that. Arc like that. Okay, so on number 2, are we given an arc or an angle? We're given an arc. We're given arc AC, and it wants us to find angle ABC. So we're finding an angle here. So that means arc divided by 2 equals angle. So 34 divided by 2
17.
is 17.
You try to put out a calculator. Calculator, come on, that's simple, man.
I like to double check, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
don't hurt.
so I want to find angle WXY. First, I have to know that arc of that angle. So I have the 2 other arcs. How can I find that one?
360 minus 242, 118.
You just sound like you're spitting numbers out. So 360 minus 86 minus 156. He did those 2 added together and subtracted them from 360.
I'm sorry.
So that arc is 118. So I'm finding an angle. So arc divided by 2 equals the angle. So 118 divided by 2.
59.
59.
I didn't know you graded it.
Me either.
Okay. Now I want you to find arc RS. So I want you to find this. In order to do that, I need to know that little piece of this arc. I need to know this. So I want to find this arc. I'm going to do 2 times 42 gives me that arc. So 2 times 42 is 84. And then to find arc RS, 360 minus 84 minus 171.
It's SRT.
And what does that give you?
84. Oh.
105?
Minus 84, 105. Yep, that's right.
Now page 9.
You have to show it. Hey, they said absences are gonna start counting in January. That's what they said.
Wow.
I know.
Oh, that's because I can't move.
Y'all finna be an asses.
Never mind.
What? Oh, you supposed to write them up. Ooh.
You're supposed to write them up.
You're supposed to write them up for being tardy all the time.
Oh, I thought you would say you were supposed to write them up for being missed class. Who should write them up?
She has to write them up. Miss Johnson had to write up Casey Anna the other day.
I'm gonna write it.
I didn't do nothing, so you can do it. I'll go talk to Coach Scott.
You in my business. Don't do that.
Actually, let me talk to Miss Taylor. Me and her are good friends.
Okay, so I need to find arc FE. So I gotta find arc FE. In order to do that, I need to find arc FD first. So 2 times angle equals arc, so 2 times 63. Don't let this extra little leg in there confuse you, okay? You can mark it out if you want to. So 2 times 63 Is what?
126.
126. And then to find FE, what am I gonna do? 180 minus
126.
126. That'll give you 54. I did 180 minus 126 because it's a diameter.
54.
55, 55, 55. Ooh.
Kobe.
God.
Leave.
What?
Why you gotta leave us?
Hear that?
I know you're gonna miss me. I'll FaceTime you in class, so make you chat.
Okay.
I'm good.
So we need to find the angles GHJ and GIJ. Okay? Do those have the same arc?
Yes.
Yes, if they have the same arc, then they're the same angle. So those two are gonna be the same. They're gonna equal each other. So, first thing we need to do is we need to find this arc right here. So I'm gonna do 360 minus 68 minus 31 minus 115. I'm taking away all the other arcs to find that one that's left over. So 360 minus 68 minus 31 minus 115. 146. Then to find the angle, what am I gonna do? 146.
Mine's 180.
No,
you divide by
2.
146 divided by 2. When you're given an arc and you want to find an angle, arc divided by 2.
Well, that would be 73, by the way. 73.
This is hard.
I'm telling you, I don't even need a calculator. Come on, I'm just like a walking calculator. Just cut like that.
Okay. You're broken calculator.
Okay, what's 360 divided by 2?
180.
What's 180 divided by 2?
90.
What's 90 divided by 2?
45.
What's 360 divided by 4?
90.
360 divided by 6.
60. Whoa.
Oh,
60, yeah, it is 60. It is, yeah. Stop playing with me.
360
Oh,
divided
God.
by 8.
Can't do that.
That's easy.
Oh, yeah, that's not really. I can do something like this. Like, you gotta use your calculator on like 34 divided by 2.
What's the square root of 225?
15.
You sure?
Oh,
Good.
yo.
Don't have to know.
Wait, who asked you? Oh, okay. Over there.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, you shut up. You should feel like that. Y'all was think she just disrespecting this
You know
one.
what I said? No.
Hey, Kate, what's square root of 10,000?
Bro, you just put it in your calculator. Don't even talk
Yes,
to
you
me.
did.
Don't even talk to me.
What's square root
Hey,
of
go.
10,000?
Hey, Devin.
100.
Hey, Devin. What's square root of 10,000?
Yeah.
Don't check my math.
That's 100.
You sure?
No, it's not. It actually is.
What's
I'm
square
getting
root of
distracted
100?
right now.
100,000.
Huh?
100,000.
No,
Yes.
no, it's not.
10,000.
But you got it wrong the first time.
Okay, like, you think you can do this? You sitting there thinking of it, like, you trying to put me on the spot.
Exactly.
Are you trying to,
What's that? Real quick. 5.
like, in my head?
5.
You know, you can't just put me on the
Yeah.
spot like that.
Yeah.
I'm not even looking at it right now.
9. What's 6 minus 2?
6 times 2 is 12.
6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 is 4.
What's 4 squared?
16,
What's 16 minus 4?
12.
I didn't have that in my head.
Wow, y'all was just coming at me so hard for no reason.
Oh, I thought that was the actual problem. Oh, burn that down. It's so good.
No, not today.
Are we gonna do that?
Okay.
That was in like,
So,
we did that like 3 years ago.
I'm gonna skip the next 2.
Yeah, I think that's what's best.
Because those are inscribed quadrilaterals, and we're not talking about inscribed quadrilaterals. I'm skipping those. So anytime you see those, probably gonna skip them. I mean, we could do them, they're not that hard, like number 8, all you have to do is two times 57, and then subtract 41, and you get that this is 73.
We were both wrong.
And then you can keep going. They're really not that bad.
I have a question.
But
You said 10,000.
That's it, that's what I'm talking
When will we stop doing, actually, I would say here.
Okay, now we need to find X. First, we have to know what this arc is. So I can do 360 minus 87 minus 39. So I'm just taking away the other 2 arcs to find the blue arc. So 360 minus 87 minus 39 is 234. And then 234 divided by 2 will give you that angle, which is 117. So we'll have 5x plus 2 equals 117.
Everyone knows that I'm psychic and I go with the dog. Yeah. Yeah.
You seem very stressed recently. Why is that?
Huh?
So you seem stressed. Why is that? You seem mad. You seem like you're always mad. I'm just like, oh.
Show my face.
Huh?
Show my face.
Why your face mad?
She's the RBN.
It don't phase me, you killing like that. It don't phase me. My mom got it. My mom got this one. It is. Ooh, make fun of me.
Yeah, he doesn't know when you're so scared,
Hey, I'm not worried.
Okay, so 2 times angle equals arc, so 2 times 59 gives you 118.
Dude, here's the calculator.
And then 118 and 75, we're gonna take those away from 360, so 360 minus 118 minus 75.
167. In my head.
So then 17x minus 20 equals 167.
11. I see it was 11.
Nasty.
No, I'm actually gonna go sit in the corner.
Are we gonna get a decimal?
Please do.
I don't know, Kim.
Let's just get a decimal.
My heart's about to explode.
That's unfortunate.
I feel like, I don't know, I just feel really weird today. I feel like it's because I'm just like.
I found 16. Period.
Don't take.
But I can't drive this.
It's so funny.
Loser.
You can't go to like July
Hey,
or June.
hey,
When's your birthday?
my May 30th.
Oh, May.
Out of school.
I thought it was June or July.
All I gotta say is, like, I ain't gotta wait freaking three weeks to get my driver's license.
Sorry, I don't talk to young ones no more.
This one, he thinks he's wrong. Hey. Hey.
Oh, but I can carry.
Okay,
Now
I'm
you better cheat on this
going
if
to
you carry yours.
get the next page.
I want to be curious. Okay. What's your name?
The next page is kind of.
Sit down and look pretty for a few minutes.
I'm gonna care about.
Oh,